Links TV Massive, how you doing? It's a beautiful Friday evening. Hopefully y'all are doing fine as always, you know. So just making a quick check with you all. And just want to wish for you a blessed weekend. So much things happening right across the world. So much top stories. But I'm going to try and see how best I can cover most of them once I get time. But you know the most trended one that is out there right now. I've not got any time to really do anything much on that topic per se, and that's the major hype and the whole thing that went down over that side there. You see me? But I don't really have much to say about that still, because man, everybody have been just talking about it. It's like one of the most talked about stories right now. And if I do put out more videos about it, it's becoming like a bit repetitive, because it's been out there for some time now, and a number of people have been covering stories relating to that, and all I can say it's not a good look. It's not a good look. It looks shady. You see me? But many females are bashing the wife or their former ex of Majah hype over the whole situation. But at the end of the day, many people as well blaming Majah hype, said he should have researched the girl background and things like that. Guess what? You can't research people background in certain way, because at the end of the day, you can't know people past. You see me? You can't even know the future most of the time, much as the past. So the man just was caught in a very sticky situation, and he opted out of the situation, and he's actually hurt by the whole thing that went down. You can see I saw him the other night playing some music, and he felt hurt. You can see it in the songs that he was playing, that, trust me, the brother had mash up wicked, you see me? But we just have to just know, say, it's just life, and life does goes on, you know. So instead of what is going on, and instead of we bashing both of them, all we can do is just hope for the best, and hope say some level of normalcy can come back to the thing, and that both of them can just move on from this and just do what they have to do and get on with their life. The videos now, that's what is really keeping this thing talked about, and we just hope no more video that really come forward in the near future, because this story don't seem like it's gonna end anytime soon. But the people out there, the fans, the friends of Majah hype, are coming in back, and they're actually supporting him based on what transpired with the whole entire thing went down. He got a real serious backlash in the initial stage, and when it was all boiled down, they realized that he was not really the one at fault. So people just a switch out and just a jump ship per se, right? She started the GoFundMe page, and she so far collected a nice little piece of food. Not sure whether or not she's gonna use that in order to come up with any legal battles against the man, but guess what? I think two of them should just go their ways and just forget about this, and just try their best to just put back themselves together and just try to get that psychological help that both of them might need after this. I've seen some text messages surfacing online, not sure whether or not these are authentic, so I'm not say much about them as well, but I just wish them all the best, and just hope that they do pull through this one. Majah hype himself, much respect. And as for the girl now, boy, it's sticky on her side. I don't know really what to say about that one, you know. But the videos are speaking for themselves, and many saw her as this Christian portrayal that she came out to be, you know, with her legs crossed and her hair nicely combed to the back. So people are thinking and basically stigmatizing Majah hype over the whole entire thing, thinking that he was a woman beater, and he got the real backlash on social media with everything that went down. I think Majah hype got a real blow from all this, as he had to cancel a number of his shows and his birthday party as well, which was scheduled. Even Spice was to appear on it, and that get cancelled. So a whole lot of things went down. So we don't know what will come as it relates to more things to come from this, but it's a situation that really needs to be dealt with soon and fast before this escalates anywhere else. But right now, the vids are out there, they are circulating, and we don't know when it's gonna end. But guess what? Just enjoy weekend, fans, wherever you are watching this. Much respect goes out to you all. Much love. Stay safe and just be good to someone, alright? Peace out. Links TV, alright? Bless up, viewers.